Hey everyone, looking to get more features and higher limits from Cloud AI. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade your Cloud AI plan step by step. Yeah, whether you're using a free plan or want to switch to a better subscription, this guide will help you complete the upgrade process. First, open your web browser and go to the Cloud AI website. Sign in to your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before changing your plan. Once you're signed in, open your account settings or profile menu. Look for an option like subscription, billing, plans, or upgrade plan. This section is where you can view available plans and manage your subscription. Next, select the upgrade option to see the available Cloud AI plans. Review the features, limits, and benefits included with each plan. Choosing the right plan depends on how often you use Cloud AI and which features you need. After selecting your preferred plan, continue to the payment section. Enter your payment details if required, then review the subscription information carefully before confirming the upgrade. Once the payment is completed, your Cloud AI plan should be upgraded. Refresh your account page and check your subscription details to make sure the new plan is active. Sometimes it may take a few moments for the changes to appear. If your upgrade doesn't work, check that your payment method is valid and that you're signed into the correct account. So double-checking these details can help solve most upgrade issues quickly, and that's how you upgrade your Cloud AI plan. With the upgraded plan, you can access more features and get a better AI experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.